This is a Homage beat.
So what you want to know?
I don't know yet. What's going on, creators? This is D Creator right here, and we got.
Oh, you forgot my name?
Nah, you didn't get your name.
No, I was just playing. My name is Darren, but I got Instagram. They call me Shakedown Adams.
Put it right here. Yeah, I'm back inside of a Challenger, a Mustang guy back inside of a Challenger.
Yeah,
But
it's alright though, cause we cool. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, it's something about Mustangs and Challengers. I don't know. We just cool people. That's all it is.
Yeah,
But,
we cool people, but we got a beef going on though.
Sure. But the reason why I'm reviewing this Challenger is because, you know, I reviewed Yeeess's Challenger, which is a 2013 RT. About the same. This one right here is a 2014, right?
Yep.
It's a 2014, and it also has a shaker hood on it. While we're on that note, let's go ahead and talk about the mods that you have on your car.
Alright, so far, I actually put the shaker hood on my car. It came as a regular RT at first, 5.7 engine. And I spent about $3,000 on the shaker hood and the shaker, plus the cold air intake and all that to go with it.
And might I add, it looks like really good. It looks really good.
Yeah. Aside from that, I got
I can't really say much because I got a shaker. It's something about shakers. I just like them. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about,
Exactly.
bro. Yeah, I got a different tone on it. I can't remember which one I bought from the guy. But yeah,
It wakes it up.
It definitely made a difference. I can tell you that.
It wakes it up.
A lot. A lot. Aside from that, you know, I said it's straight pipe. What I plan on doing to it is I'm gonna change my rotors and get the racer brakes.
The Brimbos?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I plan on getting those, either those or the Bears.
Mm-hmm.
And
well, if you're doing that, you might as well just get the SRT versions. Just slap them on.
yeah, that too.
Yeah.
I plan on changing my headlights out because, you know, from 14 on down, we just got the regular headlights. We don't have the halo.
Mm-hmm.
And I plan on getting the halo so I can pop that centerpiece out and turn that into another breather, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Get more airflow.
Yeah. More airflow the better.
More horsepower. This video is just basically going to be me kind of comparing his car against Yeeess's car. I drove Yeeess's car, and essentially they have the same stuff, sorta, kinda.
Yeah, it's basically the same stuff. I just got different mods and stuff on there.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing different is I have a more updated model.
Ooh, Mustang.
Man, it would be one show up now. Like, this is a bad time to race.
Where is it?
You couldn't see it, man?
Kind of, sort of. We got it.
Nah. changing it, changing my body kit to a wide body kit, but not the wide body kit that you all see. It's another wide body kit that I'm gonna send you that picture so you can post it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the video or the picture of the body kit. Bam. We just dropped off a little gift, you know, housewarming. Shout out to Reggie. Ace the Hitman. Hit him up on Instagram, all that. Listen to his music. Also hit up Red on the Beat. Gotta get a plug to them, you know.
Yeah.
They make beats and whatnot.
You felt that? Yeah, I know you felt that. I ain't even hit it. I swear I did.
I was looking at you like, I mean, if you want to.
No, like I wasn't trying to do that. And I got my slip control on. Oh yeah. And this was a recent mod that I said I wanted to do. You guys seen the new Hellcat Red Eye? I want that spoiler.
The little, like, the...
Yeah. I want that spoiler. Oh, that's a dip. Oh, you didn't tell me about that.
I know. Oh, let's go off-roading.
Ooh. Boy.
By the way, he came to my house at 4 o'clock in the morning.
It wasn't 4 o'clock in the morning.
What time was it then?
Man, it was like...
It was you woke my butt up morning.
It was like 12. Maybe.
Go that way. But yeah, and did a donut.
Yup. I want everybody with.
If your friends are stupid enough to do donuts in your cove around 4 o'clock in the morning just to tell you that he's in town, that's a car buddy for you, man.
Alright.
So now I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all the difference. Well, show him the difference in between the shift when I put it in sport. Just drive it.
The difference between him and Jared's car.
Yep. Alright, let's see. Maybe he got the same tune that I got.
He got Diablo. So let's see if I can
Turn those on real quick. Turn them on. Flip the button.
Whoa! This light is bright. Where's the where?
That it?
No, that ain't the dimmer. Where's the dimmer? I don't have a dimmer. I guess not. It's just gonna be. It's just bright for it just to be bright. Okay.
You ready?
I ain't gonna lie, it's a difference. Woo. Yeah, it's a big difference. Okay, you got power seats. I was like looking for the levers.
Yeah, no, this
90
side,
problems.
it's crazy because this side right here ain't no power seat. I guess Dodge was like, fluff your passengers. They can look
Fluff. Every time when I'm in a challenge, I feel so freaking small. And I'm not a small guy. I'm an average size guy.
It's a big car, man.
It's nice though. I ain't gonna lie.
It's still in sport.
I felt it.
Yeah. Hey, that's what I do to people.
That wasn't full throttle.
Huh?
That wasn't full throttle.
That's what I do to people. Like that's all I can. That's all I can say. Brianna, I know you're gonna see this video. I'm sorry I've been doing you like that. Man, dude, it was one night with some motorcycle.
Oh, I was like, bro, who was that?
I got a 5.7 Hemi, and my car is loud. Oh, what you hit?
Some numbers.
Yeah. Boy, that feel totally different in the passenger seat versus being over there behind the wheel. The thing that, whoa, alright. Yeah, I'm at hey, it's Kurt.
That's it. Wait, hold on. What? Wait.
I don't like you, dude.
Did I run up on it?
Yeah, you went up on it. Nah, see, I didn't know that it was like that. I thought it was just a curve.
Like, I'm looking at him.
Yeah, we gonna edit that part out.
Okay, but as you can see,
We got caught in the rain.
yeah, we had to like cut this video real short, and it's extremely dark. It's like 8:30, so yeah.
It was a fun video though,
Yeah. You look like one of those people that's trying to put a flashlight underneath the face type thing.
man. Yeah, that was. Hey, you know, it actually go with it. Night Rider.
Yeah. But yeah, I know this is kind of bit of a like a weird kind of outro for a car review, but
Yeah.
as far as Marcellus is messaging me, alright?
Man, Marcellus messaged you in every video.
Yes.
It's like he just know when you doing a video.
But as far as you and Jared, who do you think is faster?
Me? I ain't gonna lie to you, B.
Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, it felt so like similar.
Well, I guess the only way we'll find out is if we race. And honestly, what's most likely gonna be the difference, considering, you know, he got an RT with the Diablo tune, and I got an RT with the Diablo tune. I may win just because of my shaker, but I don't know. That don't necessarily mean I win.
Yeah. Now you might win because you newer.
Yeah, but honestly, to me, it's gonna be that takeoff. That takeoff is what really gonna do it.
Yeah.
What's really gonna set the difference between my car and you.
Whoever gonna take off the quickest.
Yeah.
And I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie. The tune that he did with his car, I ain't gonna lie. Me racing him, I need to get him on the takeoff. That's why I got them slicks right there.
Yeah.
'Cause I was like, hold on. No.
Now, as far as doing a road race, I think I'll take it.
Right.
I think I'll take it.
I ain't gonna lie. You pick up speed pretty quick. Once you get going, you picking up speed.
Yeah.
So, what do you guys think? Who you think is gonna win? Knight Rider or Evo Hemi? Alright, guys. Catch you on the flip one. I can't.
Yeah, hey, I tried that one time before.
I can do it. It's just like, there we go. No, not happening. You got it.
There we go.
There you go.
It took me a minute, but I got it.
Bye, guys. Catch you on the next video.